think Game of Thrones is still widely regarded as one of the best television dramas ever produced, and this is the only Game of Thrones studio tour in the world. This is the mecca for Game of Thrones fans. For our grand opening and since, we've had a number of the Warner team through, the wider Warner family through, and they've been very impressed in what they've seen. And I suppose, given the importance of the brand, we're delighted that they were able to come here and see that it has been properly represented and that what is here is truly world class, as is the brand.
This project delivered as true to life immersive experience as possible, that it would give the guests a compelling vision and a view of the landscape, the Game of Thrones landscape. And as a result, we really wanted to find a projection technology that would give that vivid, realistic imagery to people.
Our Panasonic projectors, they're of the laser variety, and that has a net carbon benefit to us because of their standby operation, the close control through our show control, and then their long life. So instead of swapping out an incandescent bulb, we have the 20,000 plus hours of the projectors. From an engineering standpoint, the color of those sets dramatically changes their appearance. And I think if I said it once, I said it 1,000 times, that everything we see is reflected light. So people who are working with me are probably sick of hearing that. But the color quality of the lighting and of the displays was of paramount importance. And being able to flex that to fit in with the environment so that it may not be the correct color on the screen, but given the ambient light, it is the correct color for the eyes, was all part of that process.
There's other Panasonic technologies within the space, ranging from smaller throw projectors right through to the professional displays. So we have a range of Panasonic technology throughout the environment. Some, as I mentioned, are kind of blended into the set designs, again, to hide the magic. Some are interactive displays, so our ability to work with Panasonic has been really, really fundamental to be able to deliver what we want to do here.
So we're dominated by social media these days, and we invite our visitors to take as many videos and pictures as they want on the way through the studio tour. And one of the key moments from a social media perspective is a lot of couples like to get a selfie in the throne room, and the technology handles that content beautifully, and I think the whole piece works very well. So if you want to see the best that Game of Thrones can be, you have to come to Banbridge in Northern Ireland to see it.